latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking to you as to what's the connect between Indian batting superstar Virat Kohli and Pakistan cricket legend Javed Miandad. Well, for more than 1 billion fans in the country, Javed Miandad is a name which they remember painfully. All because of his last ball 6 against Chetan Sharma in the 1986 final in Sharjah. But that's not the only achievement which Javed Miandad has achieved in his career so far. He played cricket for Pakistan for over 2 decades. But why is it that he is in news today? And also, why is he being compared to Virat Kohli? Well, the comparisons came from his own teammate. Former Pakistan captain and opener Amir Sohail has stated that Virat Kohli is very much similar to Javed Miandad when it comes to inspiring the players inside the dressing room. As far as Amir Sohail's statement is concerned, he certainly inspired a lot of players to bring the best out of them. Same is the case with Virat Kohli too. Well, his presence certainly motivates players to bring the best out of them. And also Virat Kohli gives the players the space which they require to grow as a cricketer. That is exactly the point which Amir Sohail is pointing out over here. We will give you a more detailed analysis about the similarities and the dissimilarities between the two greats. But before that, let's take a look at few numbers. Between 1976 and 1994, Javed Miandad played a record 124 test matches for Pakistan in which he scored over 8,000 runs at an outstanding average of over 52 with the help of 23 tons and 43 half centuries. One shouldn't forget that Miandad played against the likes of Dennis Lillee, Jeff Thompson, Kapil Dev and Richard Hadlee and scored heavily against all of them. Virat Kohli too has been scoring heavily in the longest format of the game and has already smashed over 7,000 runs from 86 test matches at an average of over 53 with the help of 27 tons. Though Miandad has played more tests than Kohli, but the average of both these batsmen are pretty similar. When it comes to the 50-over format, both these legends have over 19,000 runs between them. Talking about Javed first, the Pakistan great featured in 233 ODIs between 1975 and 1996 and scored over 7,000 runs at an average of over 41 with the help of 8 tons and 50 half centuries. Coincidentally, his last match happened to be against India in Bengaluru in the 1996 World Cup quarter-final. Virat Kohli, on the other hand, has been the most consistent run getter in ODIs in the last 1 decade. He has played 248 matches and has already gone past 11,000 runs at a staggering average of over 59. The Indian captain has already scored 43 tons and 58 half centuries. Well, numbers don't tell you the complete story, isn't it? They are just a reflection of an individual's performance on the given day. And when it comes to numbers, with over 18,000 international runs between them, one can hardly compare both these two legends. But as per Amir Sohail, yes, both these legends have their presence inside the dressing room. But also at the same time, there are quite a dissimilarities or differences which separates these two iconic superstars. Javed Miandad had his fallouts with the Pakistan Cricket Board. He had multiple fallouts with Imran Khan during his leadership, and also there are reports that several players also revolted against him during his captaincy regime. That is exactly the reason why he didn't captain Pakistan for a longer duration which he was supposed to. Comparing it to Kohli, well, Kohli was given the charge by Dhoni in 2017, which he has accepted with open arms. He is the captain across all 3 formats and India is doing pretty well under his leadership. But most importantly, Kohli rose as a cricketer first, then became the champion finisher which he is, and now is leading Team India across all 3 formats quite successfully. Also, when it comes to behavior, you can say that Virat Kohli is brash, Virat Kohli is aggressive, over-aggressive at times, but that was also the case with Javed Miandad as well. Well, he was not just aggressive on the field, but also off it. His fallouts are well written and also documented. Virat Kohli is far ahead both in tests and ODIs. But at the same time, you cannot ignore the contribution of Javed Miandad to Pakistan cricket, even though his tenure as captain was a very limited one. Javed Miandad took over Pakistan's captaincy multiple times during his career between 1980 and 1993. In 34 test matches as Pakistan skipper, Miandad scored over 2,300 runs at an average of over 50 with 5 tons and 13 half-centuries. Kohli, on the other hand, is already the most successful Indian captain in test match format and has led the team in 55 games. He already has over 5,500 runs at an extraordinary average of over 60 to go with 20 tons and 12 half-centuries. Javed Miandad also had the opportunity to lead Pakistan in ODIs as well. He did that between 1981 and 1993 and scored over 1,800 runs at an average of over 40. The right-hander scored 16 half-centuries with unbeaten 91 as top score. Virat Kohli, on the other hand, has dominated ODIs as skipper too. In 89 matches as skipper, he has 21 tons and 23 half-centuries and has amassed over 5,100 runs already. Just take a look at the average, which stands at over 74 runs per innings. Yes, there could be similarities and also possible differences between these two legends. But one thing is for sure, both are legends of the game and have given their all to make cricket not just a global sport but also have a massive fan following. Virat Kohli might have the edge at this point of time given that he is an active cricket player, but the ones who have watched Javed in action during his time never took a back seat, be it his fight against Dennis Lillee on the pitch or be it his over-the-top attitude while playing against India. Well, for the record, he just dominated India like the way India is dominating now Pakistan cricket at this point of time. Also, Javed Miandad was a hard cricketer to adjust with, while with Virat Kohli that's not the case. He is someone who takes the team along with him and believes in putting his team first rather than individual performances. So what do you think about this video? Do you think that there are similarities and differences between these two iconic legends? Is Javed Miandad a shade better than Virat Kohli for his cricketing achievements, or has Virat Kohli already surpassed the Pakistan great already with his achievements? Do send in your feedback, do write in those comments in the feedback section and I'll be waiting for it very eagerly. In the meantime, also subscribe to News9 Digital across all social media platforms.